Greetings learners, how are you today? This is mathematics for junior secondary. We have a question here that says the figure shows a garden A, B, C, D at a farm in which AD is 5 meters. So we have A to D 5 meters here and AB is 16 meters, A to B 16 meters, and BC is equal to 17 meters. So we have BC 17 meters. So this length here is 17 meters. Now the question is calculate the length of CD. C to D. What is this length? Now you need to understand that the question is from a topic called the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so this is the Pythagoras theorem. Now, under the Pythagoras theorem, we deal with only one type of a triangle, which is called the right-angled triangle. So the moment you are given any figure, like you have been given here, identify a right-angled triangle from that, because that is what Pythagoras theorem is all about. So here we want CD, we want CD. So I'll get this portion, I'll get this triangle, and I'll be able to write it here. So the triangle will be like this. Okay, so the triangle will look like this, where this point will be D, then this end here will be C, then this end here will be E. You can see this symbol here, which is for 90-degree angle, which is a right angle. Okay, so we have this. Then I need to put the figures there. From this end to this end, what is the length? You can see that the base that we have here is a rectangle. So this length is 16 meters. It means even this is 16. So this is 16 meters here. Okay? What about this length here? We are told that from this point is 17. Then from this end to this end, look at this side, 5. It means even here is 5, 16 here. So, to get this length here, we are going to say 17 minus 5. And that will be 12. So this length here is 12. Like that. 12 meters. Now, to get CD, we are going to apply what Pythagoras theorem is all about. You have to present the given numbers in square form. Okay, they must be in square form. How? We want CD, so we are going to say CD squared. Everything must be in square form. That is Pythagoras. So CD squared is equal to the two other sides that I have is 16, so it will be 16 squared, okay, 16 squared. Then the other side is 12 squared. Now here, there should only be a plus or minus. So you either add the squares or subtract the squares. But when do you pick the correct side? You look at what you are calculating. If you are calculating for the longest side, which is the hypotenuse, in this case, this is the longest side, it means you are going to put plus. I repeat myself, if you are calculating for the longest side, which is the hypotenuse, you should pick a plus. How do you know the longest side? You follow where the 90-degree angle is. This opposite one, it is always the longest. So you are going to add. If at all we are calculating for either this one or this one, we could have used a minus here. I hope this is clear. Then you are going to say CD squared is equal to 16 squared, that will give us 256. Then 12 squared, that is 12 times 12, that will give us 144. Then CD squared will be equal to 256 plus 144. you should be able to get 400. Now to remain with CD, to get rid of the square, you should introduce square root, even here square root, cancel. Then you have CD is equal to, what's the square root of 400? It's a 20. So you pick the positive value because you're dealing with the length here. So 20 meters. That is the correct answer.